Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in on a new episode. Well, anyways, today we're going to be doing a side-to-side comparison on the Garmin Dash Cam 47 series and the Garmin Dash Cam X210 series. But before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos coming your way. Okay guys, so here we go. So I personally own multiple of Garmin's products. I own dash cams to GPSs to cameras to audio, you name it all guys, I got it. So first of all, I really like Garmin, but in this video I'm going to do a side-to-side comparison on what one I really like, what one I prefer, what one I think that outstands the other one, and just my my take on it. So let's get started. So first of all, we all need a dash cam in our car. It's quite clear, guys. So much people on the road don't know how to drive. Maybe they're senior, maybe they're old. There's, you know, some people are playing with the music on their car. Some people are like messing around and doing crazy stuff. They're eating, and it's just, you need a dash cam. You gotta be safe. So it's good you came on this video, and I'm gonna be explaining to you guys what one's better. Okay, so first of all, I started out with this one here. It's a Garmin Dash Cam 47 series. I'll show you it here. This one is pretty cool. It's just a little guy. It's a beginner one for sure. It has a little SIM card on the back. You can plug it in on the side. It has a little camera on the front, and it has a nice little screen, right? But the one thing I don't really like about this is just the way how they configured it, you know, like these buttons here are on the side, and there's nothing special about it. There's nothing special about the front. There's not like this here, why they add texture, like it's not really made the best. This one, I don't know guys, it's not the best one, but there's always better Garmin's out there. We got this one, guys. So this one, then I finally said, okay, well, this one I'm not gonna use anymore because it's too small. It doesn't really capture that much. The buttons, you know, they're not that user friendly. It's not that simple. So I just said, okay, I'm gonna upgrade. So I upgraded to this one here, the Garmin Dash Cam X210. So 47 is so small, 210, this is bigger. So this is actually a bigger dash cam. It's about like yay size. It's pretty big. I really like it, guys, because it can capture all of the footage. You know, when I'm driving down the highway, it can capture everything, and it really has a better mount. It has this mount here where you can just tap this on here, and then you can get the magnet, tap them on there, and then you're gonna mount it up. So this one has a better securing system for sure. Bigger camera. So this is it here. This is very, very nice. Just look at the quality, guys. Look how they made it. It's really nice. Has some cooling stuff here, and I find that this really takes better footage than my other one here, you know. There we go. So I'm just gonna grab this one. So this one has a nicer screen. It has more features, and you can actually get an extra long power cord. This cord is extra long, so it can reach to front or back. Compared to the 47 series, this cord is not that long. It's very short. So that's you know, when you buy the better camera, you get better product, you get better stuff, you know. So that's why I like this one better. But no hate if you buy this one. It's a good starting one, but it's not where you really want the end game to be. You want to buy something that's good and reliable. Like this camera, I take it on trips down to Alberta, down to Florida, United States, and it saved me so many times. People are trying to cut me off, this, that, and like, knock on wood, no accidents, right? But if I needed the footage, I could definitely get it off of this camera. This camera would be like sending all the footage back to my iPhone. So that's really, really nice. And this mount, guys, right here, like, look at that. It's a nice swivel, so you can point it side to side and it looks pretty slick. Like when you're driving, guys, it looks like a security camera and all, and that's what it does too. When you turn it off, it has power inside, and that power helps it to record. So if someone hits your car or notices some impact or something, guys, then guess what, your car will get notified, and then you can get that footage off of your phone. So what you gotta do is bring it inside, link it to Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi will go back and forth, and you can get that good footage off your phone. So that's why I really love the Garmin Dash Cam X210 series. And it's engineered on the inside and for life on the outside. So that's their motto. It's really nice, guys. Premium voice controlled dash cam. So if I'm buying another dash cam, guys, I definitely want to recommend this one, the Garmin Dash Cam X210. 210 is the best one on the market, I believe, today. Anyways, guys, you guys can also just get different stuff for it. So this one, extra long power cable, that's a good one. It's 26 feet, 6 meters, or no, 8 meters. So that is pretty big. Power cable, dash cam. It's just telling you all about this cable here. It's a good one. But anyways, guys, I really appreciate you guys watching it. So thank you guys for staying tuned on this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Take care and peace. Have a good day.